Porsche has more than a half-century of sports car development to draw from. The company's expertise culminates in the sports car-esque 2023 Macan GTS, making it one of the most exciting SUVs to drive. With a 434 horsepower twin-turbo V6 under its hood, the all-wheel drive GTS is potent enough to rocket to 60 miles per hour in only 3.5 seconds. Should the compact luxury ute encounter coiling roads along the way, it'll remain planted on each one, rewarding its driver with agile handling that's not only rare among most SUVs, but also among many cars. For those in the market for a high-riding, high-performance machine, there is none better than the Macan GTS. Of course, those seeking maximum utility might find boxier rivals such as the BMW X3M and Jaguar F-Pace SVR more useful. Still, to us, there's no greater utility than the 2023 Porsche Macan GTS's unmatched driver involvement. The Macan GTS enters the 2023 model year with no significant changes. However, it remains one of our all-time favorite SUVs, with yet another appearance on our annual 10 Best list. The Macan GTS comes well equipped with performance goodies right out of the gate, but we think the SUV's luxury is a bit lacking. So, we'd order the Premium Plus package, which includes a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated 14-way adjustable front seats, and a 12-speaker Bose stereo system. Although the base Macan, reviewed separately, can be had with a turbocharged 4-cylinder, going with the performance-oriented GTS unlocks a much more powerful twin-turbo V6. The engine makes 434 horsepower, which helped the Macan GTS deliver an impressive 3.5-second 60-mile-per-hour time at our test track. Several rivals offer even more power, including the 505 horsepower Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio and the 503 horsepower BMW X3M competition. Despite the disadvantage in power, though, the Macan GTS feels like the more accomplished of the two thanks to its crisper handling and more communicative helm.